We're going to show you a revolutionary tool that enables you to set up a CI and CD pipeline in a matter of minutes. It's called Auto Devops and is developed by Gitlab. Auto Devops enables you to create a pipeline without any specific configuration. It's a fast and general method of setting up a DevOps ecosystem.
So to get started, the first thing you need to do is to go to gitlab.com or your self-hosted GitLab. Then we create a new project. And GitLab offers a selection of ready-made templates to get started with some specific technology even faster. So we're going to demonstrate that now by selecting a Node.js Express.
If you're not familiar with GitLab, it's a version control system that uses Git. And it's quite similar to GitHub, but offers a lot more features. The only thing that Auto DevOps needs to be able to deploy your project is a Docker file or a build pack file. Tests will be automatically found for most programming languages.
Once the project is set up, we need to add a Kubernetes cluster, which will be used for deployment. GitLab has the ability to set up a cluster for you automatically on Google Cloud, or you can add an existing cluster. We are going to set up the cluster with the Google Cloud solution, which will take a couple of minutes. If we take a look at the Kubernetes engine on Google Cloud, we can now see that the cluster has been created.
And back at GitLab, we'll install some applications in our cluster that will be used by GitLab to deploy and monitor the environments. We will install Helm, which is used for the deployment of our app.
We specify the base domain that will be used for deployments. Normally this is where you put your own domain, but we will use the one supplied by Ingress. Next, we will enable Auto DevOps for our project. This is actually as simple as clicking a button. So we go to the CI/CD settings and we push the button. And this will now automatically set up a production environment and a pipeline for us.
We'll now have a look at an existing project that we have made to demonstrate the pipelines that have been automatically set up for us. The app was built using the Node template from earlier. It monitors the pipeline jobs using the GitLab API to give you a quick overview of the status of your builds. It essentially exposes what you can see over here in a more concise way.
This is something you could use in an office on a large monitor to get an overview, for example. Each circle here represents a triggered pipeline. The largest circle is the most recent one. We can inspect one of the pipelines to get some more information and also trigger the pipeline again. Let's do that now.
But wait, what's this? It seems like we have a build failure. We better check that out on GitLab. And this links to a more detailed view.
To conclude, Auto DevOps is great if you want to get up and running fast and don't have too many specific requirements on your pipeline. We hope you enjoyed the demo and that you will check out Auto DevOps.